So this is Motor. Yeah. We've had him for a couple days now. He was scared and in pain when he got here. He acted like he was very feral. But as you see, with a little bit of time to decompress and some love and obviously some good care, because you can see how he is, yes. His left front leg is completely broken. His right front leg is missing toes. He is just the sweetest boy. Yes, him is. Yes, him is. It's just the sweetest. Yeah. Motor was caught in the engine of a car about 2 weeks ago. And then he was on the run, scared and injured, while his people, that car he was in, and broke the serpentine belt even in the car, leaving that person stranded for the day. He was on the run, and they didn't give up. They kept trying to trap him and trying to trap him. And as far as they knew, he was a very, very feral kitty. He's not feral. Not at all, no. He's just a little kitten who just needed some love and time. Yeah. I know, babies. I know. Yeah, I'm just such a good boy. So he's been here for 2 days since day before yesterday. Oh, we even getting belly rubs. Aw. You're being too cute, buddy. Yeah, you're being too cute. Yeah. Yeah, you're being too cute. Why are you so adorable? Huh? Why are you being so adorable? Huh? You just loves all the attention? Yeah, you say, finally. I get lots of loves. Yeah. So we've given him pain meds and antibiotics. And we've let him decompress over the past couple nights. Yeah. And as you guys see, he has come around so well to just a little bit of love and care. So we're going to do our best to help him out. Yeah. He's just such a sweet good boy. Yeah. Stop. You're being so cute. You're being so cute.